Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video we are going to solve a very interesting aptitude problem, which is if ABC14 and ABC15 are 5-digit numbers such that their sum is 157229, then A plus B plus C would be, and there are 4 options, 15, 21, 25 and 72. That means what? We have given these two 5-digit numbers where ABC are unknown, and we have given their sum as this number, and we have to find out the value of A plus B plus C. So for that, let us first start with their sum. So here we have ABC. So these are our numbers, the given two numbers. If we add these two, we get the resultant as this number, which is 157229, right? Now in order to find out the values of A, B and C, just look at this. Here we have 4 plus 5 is 9, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So this part is over, right? So let me just erase this part. Now we want this number C such that if we add these two, that is if we take C plus C, then it is 2, right? So that means what? C plus C is equal to 2, or the unit digit, that is the digit at the place, at the unit place, that must be 2. So C plus C has 2 as a unit digit or at unit place, right? So these are the two choices for C. So if we take C plus C as 2, that means suppose if we add C plus C, then it is 2C is equal to 2, and this gives us C is equal to 1, right? Now if you put C is equal to 1 here, then we get this ABC, add these two, then we have taken this C as 1, so this is 1 plus 1 is 2, and then we have this B plus B, so here it is 1572, right? So if we perform addition, then here we have B plus B is equal to 7, which is not possible, right? Because 2 times B, that is B plus B is equal to 7, gives us B is equal to 7 by 2, right? But this is not a digit, right? So this C is equal to 1 is not possible, right? So we must have C not equal to 1. So C is not equal to 1. Then what is the next possibility for this? So here we have this unit digit is 1, right? So what are the choices for that? Now suppose if you take C is equal to 2, now C is not equal to 1, that is clear. So if we take C is equal to 2, then C plus C will be 4, right? And we want 2 as a unit digit, right? So this is not a choice. Similarly, if you take C is equal to 3, 4, 5, then 2 will not be a unit digit, right? So take C is equal to 6, then 6 plus 6 is clearly 12, and we want this unit digit as 2, right? So this could be the possibility. So take this choice for C as 6, then we get, so let me write here 6, then we have 2, and we must carry this 1, right? Because here it is 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12, and so 2 here and 1 will be carried forward. So this gives us 1 plus B is equal to 7, right? That means what? Again we have 2 times B is equal to 6, right? So this gives us B is equal to 3, right? Or there is one more possibility, but let me finish this with B is equal to 3. So if we take B is equal to 3, then clearly this becomes 3, right? So 1 plus 3 plus 3, this gives us 7, but then A plus A, that must be equal to 15, right? That means what? 2 times A must be equal to 15, and again we have A is equal to 15 by 2, which is not a digit, right? So we should avoid this possibility of b is equal to 3, right? So b cannot be 3, right? Now we must have this 1 plus b is equal to 7, right? That means what? 2 times b is equal to 6, and that means b is equal to 3, or the unit digit of b plus b is equal to 6, right? That means the unit digit of 2b is equal to 6. So what are the choices for b? Now we know that b is not equal to 3, so the remaining choices for b are 1, 2, then 4, 5 and so on, right? But clearly if you look at b equal to 1, then it is clearly 2b, that is 2 is equal to 6, which is not possible. Then for 2 it is 4 is equal to 6, which is not possible. If we take b is equal to 4, then 2 times b is equal to 8, which is not possible, right? So if we take b is equal to 5, then again 2 times b is 10, which is not equal to 6. But now if you look at b is equal to 8, then 2 times b is equal to 16, and here we have 6 as a unit digit, right? That is what we wanted, right? So take b is equal to 8, then this sum becomes, this is clearly 1 plus 8 plus 8, that is equal to 17, so carry 1, and now we have 1 plus a is equal to this 15, right? And clearly this gives a is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7, right? So this is 7, so 1 plus 7 plus 7, that is equal to 15 as required, and therefore we have the values of a, b and c, right, which are 7, 8 and 6 respectively. And remember that we have asked about their sum, right? So a plus b plus c is equal to, clearly it is 7 plus 8 plus 6, that is 21, right? So this second option is the correct option. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching this video.